Closing costs, oh my, on this week's Mortgage in a Minute. All right, guys, we're back for this week's Mortgage in a Minute. I got my whiteboard out so I could illustrate a few things for you guys on exactly what closing costs are, because when people purchase a home, they think that they just need a down payment, or maybe they don't need anything at all, right? So let's break down exactly what closing costs are and what you're gonna need to know. Now, there's a few different sections here, and of course, there's a few things outside of here that you're gonna have, but this is gonna keep things pretty simple for you to understand. So the first thing I wanna talk to you about is lender's fees. And the common misconception with purchasing a home, at least here in the state of Florida, is that you have control over all these items. And one of the biggest things that you actually have control over, because some you do not, which we'll tell you in a moment, is lender's fees, and that's a shoppable item. So within lender's fees are things like origination charges, an application fee, mortgage broker fee, loan discount fees, underwriting, things like that are all gonna be a part of your lender's fees, and those things are shoppable items from lender to lender. So you wanna make sure that you're avoiding paying high lender's fees, because you might not have to do that. Now, I can't spend all day talking about this next thing, which is title fees, but if you're enjoying these videos, make sure to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel for more informational content. So title fees, there is a title company who facilitates the entire transaction and is a intermediary between the seller, the buyer, the mortgage company, and all parties. They're gonna prepare the paperwork, make sure the mortgage gets recorded properly, and essentially they're gonna balance out and help all these closing costs come to life so you know exactly what you're getting into. And that title company is gonna charge some fees, including a closing escrow fee. They're gonna charge title insurance on your house, and again, we get into that in other videos. The next thing you have is prepaid charges. Prepaid charges are things like binding a year's worth of insurance to protect your home, setting up an escrow account. If you don't know what an escrow account is, check out one of our other Mortgage in a Minute, but that's where you set aside money to pay your taxes and insurance on your mortgage payment. Third-party fees like appraisals, home surveys, if you have a home warranty, your realtor might be charging a transaction fee. All those things are gonna be in third-party fees. And last but not least, taxes. And no, I'm not talking about property taxes, I'm talking about intangible taxes and recording fees. So just like you buy a car or anything else, you will pay taxes when you purchase your home to the county and state, and those fees will appear. And where you find all these closing costs is going to be on a loan estimate or your closing disclosure. For more information about qualifying for a mortgage, closing costs, and much more, follow us again on YouTube, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys back on another Mortgage in a Minute.